All right, guys, we are back here on the Blazer. We are starting the sheet metal, and as you can see, we got wheel tubs tacked in. I have the profile for the notch cover in. So as you can see, the sheet metal kind of have that profile right there. So that's about what it's going to do. Now, since I don't have a brake big enough, because all I have is this, which one of these days I'm going to make an upgrade video on. I have a local metal shop bending that for me right now. While I'm waiting on that, I'm moving to the front, which let's talk about. Let's talk about this. Wheel tubs back here. I bought a set of trailer fenders for it, a 36-inch long by 10 3/4 wide. Well, let's just say that was way too big. We had a Blazer here, not a Suburban. So I was going to order the 32-inch ones, but that was still what I cut out was like a 30-inch radius. So what I think that would have been just too much for it. I wasn't 100% sure if they would work or not. So instead of just buying $98 worth of trailer fenders again, I was like, you know what? I need a slip roll. Let's just see how much I can pick a small, cheap one up for. This little guy, 12.5 inches wide. I've never heard of the name. Apparently, they're starting to get popular. It was $92. It actually didn't work too bad. And as you can see, they bent it, or it rolled it, almost perfect. I made them 12 inches wide, which, as you can see, is extremely wide. I didn't really need it that wide, but hey, why not, right? So I bent them up, they worked good, and then I had the idea of, since I didn't want to just run a straight side with it and make it easier for the interior guy, I thought it'd be cool to just use the factory wheel tub sides. So now it just looks like a bigger wheel tub that came in the Blazer. I figured it'd be kind of cool. And then we got the this tacked in. I don't have the lip ran down here yet, but essentially that's the lip that will run down here for the weather stripping. And then, as you can see, I gotta cut the door out. But right now, we are working on the front. So we need to get these transitions covered up over there. So instead of just, doing it easy and bending up some sheet metal, I just want to run, where's my piece at? I lost the piece I'm using. Oh, I cleaned up the actual floor piece, and we're just gonna run that. I'll run sides on it, so it just looks like I bumped it up a little bit. Yeah, why not? I kind of want this to not just look like I cut a bunch out, threw some pieces in. Like if I could use the stock floor for the back, I probably would have. But that's just a whole area that I have to have a certain way to try to fit a back seat in. But up here, we're just trying to make it as simple as possible by using the stock floor piece, which is probably not as simple as possible. I'm going to attempt to do this. I don't know if I want to do it yet. But right now, we're just going to make them. I'm probably not doing it the smart way. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see what I come up with.